How you doing, everybody? I'm doing this video, and I am far from a YouTuber, but I'm doing this to dispel some of the myths that some of these other professional drone people spread about actually how good the Potensic Atom SE is. This here is an awesome little drone. A lot of people online compare them to DJIs, and they talk about the gimbals and a lot of different things. First and foremost, how many people out there own a GoPro type camera? Well, they have the electronic image stabilization. They do not have any kind of gimbal whatsoever. So electronic image stabilization is in the forefront right now of many of the very good quality cameras for action, movement, etc. Again, everybody compares the Potensic Atom SE and the price to a DJI Mini SE and say they're only a few dollars more. Well, we're going to dispel that myth too, because I'm going to show you advertisements for both of these with actual equipment that is similar. If you look at the Potensic Atom SE opposed to the DJI that everybody compares them to, the Fly More kit for the DJI is not quite but almost double the price of a Potensic. Support is above and beyond anything I've ever experienced before, actually. And this is not just pertaining to drones, because I'm not a drone guy. I had a cheap, literally cheap toy drone a couple of years ago that the motors burnt out so fast it was not even pathetic. They go out of their way, above and beyond, to make sure their customer base is happy. They've done 2 or 3 different firmware and software updates already. They keep up on top of everything. So I'm going to put together a few odds and ends, pricing, a couple of pictures, a little video. I'm not going to get into setting it up and calibrating and everything. There's probably a million different YouTubes out there that tells you how to do that, so that's not something that anybody's going to really need to hear from me. I'm going to keep this semi-short, if nothing else. But this is an awesome, awesome little drone for the money. You guaranteed nothing out there, dollar for dollar, is going to compare to and or beat this drone. Stay tuned. Hello again. I guess you made it through the short little video that I put together. Um, to start off, I don't want to state that I'm not giving anything for this video. I haven't received anything free. I'm not sponsored by anybody. I'm totally new to drones, just like some of you are probably going to be. I did nothing but research for literally days and days on end. I looked at more drones than I care to remember. I made my decision on many YouTube videos and interviews and reviews and all kinds of different things. Hopefully, this video helps you understand the difference between the two different drones. And I'm not saying don't buy yourself a DJI by any means. I'm just saying if you're an entry level beginner looking to get into playing around with drones and testing them and having a little bit of fun, taking a few pictures here and there, and you don't want to spend a small fortune to get into the hobby and get started off, this as an entry level drone, in my personal opinion, is the best out there for the bang for your buck. It's got high-end quality internals, and that's a really big thing. The brushless motors. If you checked out the video, obviously you've seen that I was flying it in over 20 km/h winds with gusts well up over the high 20s, maybe low 30s. This thing stayed stable. Range is amazing. I flew over about 3/4 of a kilometer to almost a kilometer. I never lost any reception. I'm surrounded by trees that are 30, 40, 50 feet tall around here. Hills, rocks, all kinds of stuff. This thing is amazing in my opinion. Hopefully it helps you make a decision on maybe getting this as a drone. And maybe not. Maybe it'll make you think about spending a little bit more or getting something a little bit less for your first drone. But I'm telling you, in my personal opinion, you cannot beat this for the dollar. The value, the customer support, the quality of the product, and how it operates, how easy it is to fly. Again, this is basically, I had a toy drone for a short period of time. This is my first real half decent drone at all, and out of the box, I flew it, and to be honest with you, it handled and operated better than I could imagine. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this helped you out. Have a great one. See you out there. Bye.